All right, everyone. So today I'm going to replace the license plate lights on my 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. This is the same process for all the WK2 Jeep Grand Cherokees. They have an LED like system here. It's not a bulb. It's just like you have to replace the whole part, and there's two of them. So both of mine are out, so I'm going to go ahead and replace those. Unfortunately, I can't give you a before and after just because mine are already out right now, so I'll just give you an after. So let's get started. All right, so these are pretty easy to pop out. You just stick a screwdriver up here like this. There's a little tab, you push on it, and they come out like that. And they got a little harness on them, and so we will connect the new bulbs to the harness. Okay, pop both those out. All right, I had to spray these off because they were like really dirty. I couldn't really see what I was doing. We're gonna pop the clips here. So what we're gonna do is take the O-ring off and put it on the new one, since the new one doesn't have a O-ring. Well, let's clip back in. Push this back up. There we go. Spray some alcohol on it. I'll wipe that out a little bit. That way it'll dry quickly too. All right, now that that's dry, we'll plug this back in. All right, there's the LED lights. You can see they light up everything pretty well. You can see they're lighting up the whole ground there, back area, so working out pretty good. I'll link these in the description.